Look at the second one. Yes. So don't forget you come to the fourth something here. Fourth. So when you come like this, you first get a background for it. We need a background for this. So this kind of background we need for this one is different. So we just need a color background. Can you see? I go to color, then when you look at this color of a thing, you go to the up one. You are going to be clicking the up one color. You can use this one too. This gradients you can use it depending on what you want to design. You can use it, but I will be using this one because of what we want to do. I will be using this one now. I'll be using this one. So you click on that plus, click on the plus, then you see this blue that is here. You click on that blue, draw everything to the fullest, then you can see it like this. So now when we got it like this, then you come to this new text, click it. Yes, you want to click cake or cakes. You can use cakes. So this is it. Bring it to this angle, cakes. So when you click it, we need a font for it now. Go to this A. Yes, when you come to this A, so you go to font. Can you see font? When you come to font, you can use any font. As I've said, you can use any font, but we are going to be using this Bogalo regular. Click it. When you click it, yes, this is it, Bogalo regular. So when you click it like this, you can resize it. As I've said before, you can resize it anyhow you want to resize it, but I will just give it a little resize. So you look at your resize very well. So this is it, cake. So as I've seen like this, you can copy it. When you click it, copy again, bring it down here. When you bring it down here, you put by Big Sam. You can put your company name anyhow you want to put it. You can put your company name, yes, or let us use by Sam. By Sam. Can you see that? By Sam. So you reduce it. Don't worry with the size, you just need to reduce it very well. When you reduce it, it will be okay. Can you see it? By Sam. That's it. So it depends on your own company name. Depends on your company name. Sorry. Can you see it? Depends on your company name. So you put it very well. So when you have this like this, the next thing for you now to give it text again. Yes. So you bring it. You need to know we bake. We bake. Can you see that? You are putting it here. We bake. So this we bake. Just follow me up as I'm doing it. We bake. You find a color for it. You can find a color for it. When you have a color for it, sorry, I'm very busy now. Can't pick calls. Put black. When you put black to it, get a background. You can get a background for it. Go to find background. This background. Can you see that? Get a background for it. Let's put white. Can you see it now? Let's put white. So when we put white, we can go to something they called padding. So let's look for it. So when you are doing your design, you have to be very careful and be patient to make a good design for yourself. You come to padding. So you can see you can draw it, give it a space. You can also leave it like this. Can you see that? So the shape, you can give it a space like that. So when you give it like that, there's something they also call positioning. You give it a position, and where you are taking it to, you can see you can draw it like this. You can use an arrow. You want to take it up a little, take it down a little. So can you see that? So that's actually it. You can also make it let's make it, let's resize it. Let us resize it. Let's resize it. We pick, yes. You can also put this. What you pick, you see that. So we pick. Then you are not through yet. This thing can come up a little. Don't forget the positioning. You can bring it up a little or thereabout. Just position it very well. We pick. Then we come to another typing here. So you have to put what you pick there. What you pick. So I've actually typed that already. Thank you. I've actually typed that already. So you just have to arrange it and give it a size. So pick it up, take it to. Can you see that? So give it a size a little, no? So can you see that? What would be? No, there are some simple design that will attract your business. You can change the color. You can change the color. Let's look at it. Let's look at the color now. Can you see white is better then? So you bold your white. You can bold it. Can you see? You bold it. So when you bold it, you can also give it a little resize. Give it a resize. So give it a little resize. Don't forget the font we are using. Don't forget the font we are actually using for everything. Don't forget the font we are using. So that's that. So you can also give your address. Yes. You can also give your address. You can give your address. Yes, your address now. Address. Address. You give it. Where do you stay? Those states. Let me just use those states. You put where you stay. Those states, then you put your what? Your number, phone number, your contact. Your contact must be there also. No, 36. Yes, 33 92 7830. Can you see that? So you put it also there. Don't forget that you know what you are doing. You know what you are doing here. You don't need one big thing like that. You don't need one big thing like that. You just do it very well. Thank you. You just do it very well like this. Then you can color it. You can color it black as we did that one. Then you go to your background again. Go to your background again. Go to your background again. Then you give it. You can give it a white also. Don't forget the padding. Yes. You can space it. Space it. Yes. You space it and you space it. Look at the way I'm spacing it. Your positioning is very important. Where you want to position. Case. Is it going down? It should go down a little. Then it should come like this. Yes. This one you can also space it. There's something they call spacing. Yes, let's find spacing. There's something they call spacing. Can you see line spacing? No, you can bring it like, can you see? Yes. Anyhow you want it to be. Yes, there's another this. We have spacing like this. Can you see? Yes. Can you see? And don't forget to make to bold it. Don't forget to bold it. So what do we do next now? Then we come to the center. Then create a shape. We're creating a shape here. When we create a shape here, it's not that big. A very small shape. You can draw it. You bring the shape down like this. Then when you bring the shape down, you take it. You go to back. Click to back. Can you see? This contact came up again. This contact came up again. As the contact came up again, don't forget the background we put in this contact. The background we put in this contact, we can also change it because we want the background to come out. Yes. So we can also change the background. So when we change the background, then we also change the content. The content that is there. The whites. Can you see that? So don't forget that. The white. Can you see that? So what do we do next? We bring our image. Now we bring our image down here. Our images. Can you see? We bring our images. Don't forget. We bring our images. Yes. Oh, we can still take this one up a little. Yes, we can take it up a little because of what we want to achieve. Take it up a little just because of what we want to achieve. You get me now? Because of what we want to achieve, take this one down a little. Yes. Don't forget we still have other things to put. So let's put our other things we want to put there. Yes. Let's put it. You have to resize everything you want to put. It doesn't mean it should be big. It doesn't need to be big at all. It doesn't need to be big. So you pick the second one again. Any other one you want to. You have to reduce it. Reduce it very well. Make your reviews. Yes, you see also have one more. You see this one. So by reducing, this is just showing the symbol that this is what we are doing. But why we are making this one very small is because we have the picture of the woman already. So we have the picture of the woman already. So that's why we are making this small. All this one small. So I will believe that if you can do this one, you should be able to do other things again. Whether you save your project. Cake. Save it cake. And you see that, don't worry with this. It can come up anytime. This can come up anytime. Then you remove it. Then you save your image. So we have saved it already. So thank you for being patient. You can do this to be